Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix app download pending of so what you have to do is when you are trying to install any app through Play Store and you will see that download pending. So what you have to do is just go into your Play Store and now you have to click on this your photo, and here you will see manage apps and devices. Now you have to click on manage, and whenever you click on manage, you will see at the top of your screen update available, installed, and games. So just click on update available, and here you will see many updates, many apps is being updated. So what you have to do is just cancel all these, apps, and now just try to install the app which you want to install in your mobile. I'm sure that you will easily install that app in your mobile, and download pending is gone. So like this you can install any app and fix app download pending up in your mobile. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.